Brawling. Pumpkin rice. It's right.
Wow, see a lot vegetable thing you have to keep your body healthy.
Yeah.
Oh, man. But that's still right yet.
Yes, actually.
See the rider there, man, the artist rider, right?
Yeah, stunt rider. Yeah.
Right, and give you something on the middle just
Right. Correct, because yeah, you was something up on a good life. Oh, you can't work with that one, yeah?
Something you can't dash here, man. Something you can't dash.
So you have to that bike, you can't? Do anything? You know, fuck your next bike and power, you know? Okay.
But the hottest that man on social media, everything, you see me?
That's
real talk, you see me?
You don't make a good life. Big that farm. I love to put the farm when people talk, you see me?
You see me, the real life, but you don't know a good life, and good life then like garrison, you see me?
Alright.
You don't know this garrison, you know inner city.
Inner city, alright.
You see me?
I like that time, because we don't really say ghetto, inner city.
Trust me, you understand?
Yeah, inner city. So when you say I go for the real bike and forward then? Alright then. You said that bike is too heavy. Can you imagine? They must say that bike is too heavy.
Yeah. You know they want them special stunt bike and thing, man.
Yeah. So where your bike then?
Just
next time,
okay.
And then next time I'm gonna stay with them.
So you always got bike show and everything as well too?
25th, I went at the bike show, I'm going back. Tell the man when the bike show, man.
When?
Tell the man when the bike show,
25 April.
Wild and rich.
Wild and rich.
Rich life.
Rich life.
I see him thing with the rich, you know?
Yeah.
I understand me.
Wild and rich.
But I'm one of the hottest rider that man from the community, from the media scene, them know it.
Yeah, see it there?
I know joke thing, man. Them know him hot like fire, you see me? So when I feel right, when I feel right, they say, no, so rich life, you get a piece of it, you see me?
Yeah, true.
Real life, you see me?
Sir, you never really right, put it up on a good life, you know?
I work on it for the 25th, you see me?
Yeah. Love how the rice look right.
Yeah. Come on.
It's not light, it look right.
Right. Cool, man.
Everywhere, blending.
Right, you know. I'm back from UK and the cinema.
Yeah.
No, we don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Long time. So this is how we do it for the Just Cool Corner. One family.
One family, man. Like regular. This is like one day thing, you know, man.
Every day.
One day thing, real life.
I chunky at it, man.
It's like African, the whole of wheat out of one plate and you know. Real shit. So,
Don't just cook and just eat daily.
yeah.
And that's how people have to live, man. You know? Good life. That's how I do it as a youth, you know, growing up in a run boat, you know. And I live the good life. Right life.
See, Rasta man, I like the proper sauce and that.
Yeah. Big up yourself in a good life.
Sauce boss, you know. Have the whole Jamaica rock, you see me?
Yeah. I want to dance, huh?
Yeah, man, I'm not thing, man. Next week Saturday. Let's come take me, right?
So give you a next thing for the good life, see how you know one. You know, cup of sauce. Kick out, hey. One cup of sauce. And the hot sauce.
Yeah, man, hot sauce, man.
Real sauce boss, you know?
Yeah, man, the 14, man, yeah, real action, man.
Yes.
Across the body,
Yeah? I saw him bad. Sauce, really.
Sauce, that, man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. The sauce, really hard. You stand there and play too damn, you know. When you say across the gully, you might go jump, you know.
Sauce.
Real hot sauce on the cool corner.
Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, the bike car hold him ends there.
Yeah, I believe in that.
You say now have the right bike, I'm not give you 2 stone.
Yeah, you know that bike is kind of slim shade.
Yeah, so that one is too heavy.
Heavy,
Rough, see how me? Nah, stop. He must step. The right thing, he must step, not the worst step. On the Just Cool Corner. So we have in this shop.
Yeah, man, look, you know, snack.
Snack shop and thing. See on TV and thing, you know, everything. Feel like drink and watch a movie. See you here. On the Just
Yeah,
Cool.
man, late night snack.
Yeah. Late night shop.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, everything there, man. So I look on this, they look at scrap iron business. You know, the lane kind of look slim shade with it, but you can't fight him because he's not a thief.
Yeah. Man, you look at us.
He look at hustling, so. You know, the place look tired, but I have to just give him a break, you know?
Yeah, you have to, because I don't know. As we say, he's not a thief.
No.
For him not a thief.
You just get up and look at iron and then sell them. Buy some food and it's good. So you can't kill him.
At least he can feed him family and he can buy a food and, you know.
You see?
Breadfruit tree look like a years it there, so can see that show age. Yeah, breadfruit tree show age.
Original star man this in a ride for years. Years them man ride and sell them star and doing it, you know?
Yeah.
Every day, you know?
That was. Big up yourself.
Star.
Big up yourself now the good life.
Yeah man, the full out of man.
Original, you are the original story.
Pervert pastor.
Yeah. Pervert pastor.
Headline.
Jamaica Observer with the pervert pastor, Seventh-day Adventist minister, flee island after being accused of buggering a 13-year-old boy. Read it in the newspaper.
Star.
Yeah, Observer.
Observe that, you know, today. See it there, man. Introduce yourself, make them know.
Yeah. Well, me is original paper seller from, you can see, from 1968.
Wow.
You know, right? And I always go around coming from the Gleaner straight to Macfield, Waltham, Tower Hill, Marlborough, originally. But you get up in age, I have to cut off some of the areas.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I'm still doing my thing.
Same
Thank
way.
God, you know?
Same way. So the bicyclists you always
Yeah,
ride
but I
on
need
it.
a better bicycle, my boss. You tell them straight.
Yeah.
Because it's take out too much out of me now, we don't need them.
Yeah.
Arthritis, huh?
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah.
So you still have star innocent things, see them. Observer you have now. Observer to them.
Yeah, man.
Well, you still fit for ride a bicycle still.
Yeah, that's why
Right now.
everybody waiting for that, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But the medium not too right.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's
man.
a good life and chunky just cool.
Yeah.
Nobody.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
definitely more look out for you.
What's that?
Because Chunky always known for years.
Yeah. And there's a man who always look out for elder.
Yeah, man, honestly.
It's a good youth this, but not lie, you see me? I always look out for people. And for him tell you,
Yeah, man. we read that.
possibility.
Yeah, man.
And don't stop seeing me, because I realize you don't stop.
Yeah.
I could have stopped.
As I say today, a young man like yourself,
Yeah.
you come and say, Starry, you still selling paper? And the man said, boy, I have to give you a $500.
Yeah.
And he gave me a $500. So I said, boy, at least the youth still respect me.
Yeah.
He said, I'm still a try, you know?
Yeah. So how old are you?
I was born the 8th of August 1951. So I'm supposed to pretend you're 70 years old.
Yeah.
next year.
And you still a go and try to see me.
Yeah.
Go and fight the fight, man.
I love
Never. Yeah, man. I love, man. Never give up.
Running style.
And I can give you a history of life experience otherwise.
Yeah, so we have to definitely get up on the good life. Pick up yourself. It's a GS, you know it.
Electrical.
A market!
The booklet. I greatest.
Yeah, market! MacGyver!
Yeah.
This are the greatest.
It's a technician.
MacGyver!
And my youth, man, make pinball.
Come like him, come like him, be a CV
Yeah,
tonight.
man.
I never see they come from though.
Yeah,
I hear into never they come.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man, I am this is a buckle, man.
Some band man.
Okay. MacGyver. Your name? What you have?
What they want to go and save you for the ends whenever they pound the ends.
Yeah. I play that. I watch by Roger Black's matter, man.
Yeah. What they have service.
Man, I make pinball machine out of TV.
Yeah.
I youth. Where they are, man, behind the
Real MacGyver, man.
real man.
Oh, the same man. I'm a link for do the alarm.
Yeah.
Yeah, saying there.
Hell of them in our place.
Hello, mommy. Representing for Jamaica Good Life. We highlight the positive and the culture, you know, the right life. And we have to highlight you. You can introduce yourself and make them know your name.
Eileen,
Eileen,
Mama, regular known as Mama Lee.
Mama Lee. So that's what them call you around here, Mama Lee. And this is your little business, Mama Lee.
Yes, brother.
And you say you're born and grew around here too?
No, I'm not really bad uncle, but me, they are town from around 12.
Okay, for your 12. And that's a long time. How old are you now? How old are you now?
56.
Wow, that's a long time, man. And you still a whole strong.
Yes.
So you help grow him too?
Yeah.
Chunky. Yeah, man. Yeah, big up yourself, Savior, because you know that's there pass through.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, so keep it up. So see there, you know the good life. Mama Eileen. Yeah, I like the spirit on the Just Cool corner, you know? Yeah. MacGyver inside. I'm going to go. Yeah. Pick up yourself, my general.
Bless love.
Yeah. You're the trade man.
Yeah, man,
Steve.
you don't have a trade thing on here, yeah?
Yeah, we can see it.
Yeah,
You're on the work, see even there.
Yeah, hard work, we did it.
Yeah, me as a man.
Yeah, man, everything. Yes, that. Yeah, small contractor. Everything.
Everything.
Yeah, man, you don't know the chefs. Alright.
So I'm fine, you see me.
Yeah, man.
Triple blacks. Yeah, man. And you don't know, so the Minty Cool High School here already.
There's a big like winter.
Yeah. I'm cool. I'm summer.
Today I try catch two, you know?
Yeah, which is right.
I would not give them the number, you know? And when God fall rain and rainbow come out, boy, I feel them one. I feel it. A blessing.
A blessing, cause alive.
I know about this side.
It's alive. Big up CM here. Blessings, my general.
Powers, my general.
Powers. Introduce yourself to the Jamaica good life. I know you highlight the positive
Alright,
and
top
the real
chef
life.
this man.
Yeah.
Man, just cool top chef there.
Yeah, man, them man deal with every pork and thing and
Everything.
big event.
Big event then.
Yeah.
See how when you come on the 9th and next month now,
Yeah.
you cook out
I am.
bourbon.
Bourbon
Okay.
just cool.
Yeah.
And the big pot chef this.
Yeah, man.
I know small pot chef.
No.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, CM here, my general, man, every time. They want to show some dice on the corner.
Yeah, man, are the same thing, man.
See it there?
Yeah, man, see it, yeah. Family, same way, you see me?
See it there? Bye. Oh, the man show the dice and the good life.
Yeah, all it, same way, you see me?
Get shit.
Whole family.
Oneness, you know?
Nothing change.
One sheriff in town, you know we are not clown. You know what it's reps?
Yeah, man, I really same way, man.
And the good life. Yeah, man, because you know we highlight the positive and the lifestyle and the culture. So this is what the program is about. You know, everyday lifestyle. So we have to highlight the nice corner, you know,
Yeah,
the good
yeah,
life.
yeah. You know the thing.
Out there, we now do the goodness. Long time people was like,
This on the corner.
yeah, every day. You can see the energy, man. It's there, man.
Chill spot, man, not 48, man.
Everything is all cool.
Yeah. Just cool.
Just cool. Most can see.
Just cool.
Yeah, 6 step on the dice.
Wish you
One dice. The great star, alright. Bartender. Yeah, so you can say. I know, we go, them say, oh, a step, oh, yeah, step, you know. We go anywhere, a step. Blessings, we have to highlight that. Look pretty, man. And a good life. What's your name, not a good life? Sunday. We like your smile. You keep it up. I see why a bar you have to sell off. Because beauty is in here. Beauty is in here. Yeah, beauty. I tell you, man. Most customers have to come here when you're here, right? Most, because you attract all the beauty. Good life. Yeah, we keep living it right? Alright. General. See they cannot leave, you know. Now you one day here. And tell her, and you one day here.
Once a rose is here.
Alright, you don't hear that? So don't feel like him a lead your side. Big up yourself, see me, G?
See him where?
Good life.
See him where, boy.
Yes, Chunky. It's the real good life. So I got chill spot. The next spot.
So 2 piece Wednesday, Dinner Robin and thing for Wednesday night.
Oh, I don't know, so the 2 piece Wednesday go on.
Yeah.
I'm see to the advertise as well for true, you know, the 2 piece Wednesday.
2 piece Wednesday.
So that would be Itals show as well too?
Yeah, man, and do iPad.
Yeah, man, me have to go pass through.
Uncle.
Uncle,
There, man.
pick up yourself.
That place.
So yeah, the good life. Yeah, right now you're up on the good life, you know. Oh, yeah, I like the good life.
There, see.
Alright then, see you there.
Yeah, but that's sales, man.
Yeah,
That's sales, man.
Stew Peas Wednesday.
Sales, man.
So we have to go circle around up on a Wednesday, man.
I'm sorry for when I went to them.
When them Itals show that definitely if so I'll go on. Lambada.
Lambada, chill spot, you know?
See them, man. Cozy spot. Cozy corner. Oh, Rona, so I see how to push up. I see that do some push up around here, so. Yeah.
Walter there.
Yeah, Walter boy them around here do some push up.
Yeah, do some push up.
Yeah, me swear you put it up, man.
Yeah.
I say, yeah, they want to run out with our vibes.
Yeah.
Stew Peas Wednesday, so each and every Wednesday.
Each and every Wednesday, you know?
Right, yeah, so. And the CM lane.
Look at the can catch it. Look at the there. Yeah. 2 piece Wednesday, you know?
Right, this Stew Peas Wednesday. Each and every Wednesday. Definitely. Yeah, man, we go far around, man, for me I tell stew, because I don't know a vegetarian. So
Yeah, man, I have a bingy left to down.
yeah, bingy.
And then down and Chilani in there.
Okay.
I circle on that side. Yeah, man, my assistant coach on my Bob Marley boy side down and Chilani.
Okay.
Chilani FC.
I wish side Chilani FC.
Yeah.
I wish league them in now.
And then the Panther Party, and then give them to come up to me.
Premier. Okay. Go on. That's what boys told me to step up them thing too. Hopefully them can reach. Yeah, hopefully them reach back to the Premier League, you know. So where that street and name now, the people them. So they from Balcom Drive people.
Come up to them.
So this is Balcom Drive, not the good life.
Yeah, them newly fixed the one the other day because it's still bad and we talk to the
Council.
council, you know?
Yeah.
You know, request to KFC and then
So hopefully I said them gonna do the most of the road them in the
yeah,
time.
them have a program till them have fixed on the 60 at lane, so
Yeah, the car.
from them and put them out of wide.
Yeah. So when them start, this is a start. This is a start still, because if them start this
Yeah, man,
already,
when them do one, then we do more, you know?
yeah.
When them do one, then we do more.
And I'm telling them if you always just uplift the thing and I hope the government can watch that one and to and say, yeah.
Yeah, man.
People them live the good life, so they want the good street up and running. You see me?
Renovate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say that.
Roll and the concrete, so anytime the girl them want the nails,
Yeah,
you have to them come, you know?
yeah, so
Get the nails done and things. So.
it's under construction.
Yeah, man, and the construction, so I renovate it. So I use the board to split it down, that's not on it now.
Concrete, yeah.
I know, and next week,
Everything
up and running again, you understand?
Yeah, in a good life.
Yeah, man.
So we can catch you saying, know them have you see yourself in a good life, you know. You see me? So big up yourself, man, and make them know.
Manners and respect.
So big up who you want, big up and make them know it's
Big
a
up the
good
whole
life.
place, man, the whole thing, man. Big up Sunshine, big up Buckers, big up Just School, the whole place, you see me?
And a good life
Yeah,
yourself.
man, manners and respect.
Alright, big up.
Get to youth them and play same here, you see me? Youth them still have to have them play time, you see?
Yeah, see them here.
Yeah. Like for the ministry them run at night time and the light.
Yeah.
Youth them play some football, fire chair side. You know? One love.
One love,
Score you
see.
come off, you know, one love chip so.
Yeah.
Kind of full of vibe. Anytime after 7, 8 o'clock in the night. And I flood like that, you know?
Can you come when you come play too?
Yeah man,
Take it now.
Come back with them man. Anyway ball we did
We did it, you know, for real. You know, anyway the ball we have to do it.
Aye.
Good life. Oh, come knock some ball still.
So it's a better vibe. For 2 months ago you just let me to baby all time when I found out.
Sure.
The road fixed now and you know?
So everybody can house no one.
Everybody can out and about.
Yeah.
Good. So one get up almost another dozen lane fixed, you know, so boy, yeah. Yes, look, at the lane fixed, the lady a bit of a wall, so from the road fixed, keep them a bit of them wall, you know, so boy, the place look.
Everybody else are looking nice.
Yeah.
The ice cream shop is as well, so.
Yeah, them sell ice cream, Dana, you know.
And I miss Dana up on the program there.
No,
Oh, different Miss Dana this.
man, I me them I go up with, Born and gold, same.
Dana Snacks.
Yeah. Yeah, man, good life.
Good life.
Go to all the shop and get stuff around.
Yeah.
I don't know, a Jordan and Dudley this. Just
Yeah. Dudley
two of them are in England.
and Jordan, yeah.
Years of it. Jordan, downstairs of Dudley, you know?
Yeah. In the UK. Yeah, so we circle the turf and the ball field is out there. So.
Feel that. A black machine.
So, how we school at over here, sir?
That's from Junior High. Primary alone now. Ah. Yeah.
So you play football over here, sir, evening time too, man?
I'm playing ball. I'm a cricket player over here. Yeah.
They were a good pen over here, sir.
Black factory.
Black factory.
Your school contain a portion of activity and things you use.
Yeah, yeah.
The goat farming and things, you know.
And Nubian goat them here. Them are some like sheep. Yeah, Nubian, them goat are expensive, you know.
Understand, you understand?
Yeah, man, them
Sheep over there.
sheep, sooty sheep. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And them goat are them expensive, you know. Nubian.
And then breed of the money that come.
Yeah. Crossbreed, man.
So the local goat taste better, but you could invest in a goat and then goat.
Yeah. One of these goats are 40 grand. 40, because my friend of mine was selling them a whole lot as well too.
Yeah.
And some big one look like some monster.
You have a little black factory over there, so the youth them still employ, you know. Couple man will employ and things.
Yeah, so this create little job for the youth them as well too.
Portion the work, you know, so you understand me?
Yeah, so
People sell from out negative activity.
yeah. I like the positive, you know.
Understand?
I like it,
Yeah,
look.
man, when I camped up on the roof, if I'm working on Sunday, you know, it's that day.
So long now that black thing in there, sir? Long time?
About 20 years or more.
Okay.
Sometimes it no work now, go on kind of far, but
Yeah. But still, you have a beeswax. So all honey as well to all bees. Honey. Yeah, because I know I like the football field.
yeah, man, cricket and football, you know. Cricket pitch in the middle there. And then still play a little cricket.
So I look more ball and kick out, see me like on Sunday.
Them play a little ball and things. And then, man, I'm have a little farm behind the school, a banana tree.
Man,
Little thing,
the banana farm.
yeah. Different color lawn and things. Plant everything over there.
So everybody I try something. like the
Everybody has
community,
tried something. Yeah. Everybody has tried something. But then I sit down, make a move.
Yeah.
A whole step.
A whole step. You have to make a move, man. You can't sit down, you know. So you have to make a step.
Thinking and other ginger.
Yeah. Have to make a step. Because without a step, nothing now happen.
Nothing can happen for that step.
So, you know.
That's a whole step.
Yeah, and just school, see them a step and we a step, and them on the good life a step.
Yeah, man, for them to just pull a step, them have to step.
Yeah, because nothing about goodness,
Nothing but good.
positive. Pigeon co-op happening. You got a good life. the good life.